So I am super excited. I finally got the tent. It's the prototype that we're going to be selling soon, but I wanted to make sure everything is good on it. So finally got the prototype in. It looks good. What's going on, guys? So this is actually like day 2. We got the tent set up. Let me show you. Got the tent set up. It's big. It's big like I thought it was gonna be, and I'm definitely happy about that. There are some things that I thought were gonna be a little different, so just gonna go in real quick and show you. So it is a big tent, like I said. There are some things that I thought were going to be a little different. I got these little fans in here, but I thought it was going to be a little different, and I'll tell you why. But we got some new stuff in here. Right now it's kind of bare. There's not much going on in here, but I went and got my portable AC, and we put that in there. Put that in there yesterday. I just wanted to make sure I can get it to fit, and it was a little tight, but really, really nice, man. You got some really nice open windows, open window, and it's a little crinkly right now. There's a few bugs that got in here. Last night I've been trying to keep the door closed on it. I'm gonna bring the vacuum in and vacuum it out, but yeah, it's looking pretty good, man. I'm feeling really, really good about it. Oh shit, I need to move that. I'm gonna end up walking into it. I'm gonna end up walking into these. I'm so tall. It looks like it's held up too. It hasn't leaked. I'm very happy about that. But basically, like I said, I wanted to get into camping, and the best way to do it is to start off at the house in the backyard. We missed tabernacles, unfortunately, so didn't have any of this gear ready. But we got flooring. We got some flooring that's gonna go in here. It actually came in now, and I'm gonna go get it. So we got these in, and what I was hoping is that they fit. I got 5 by 10 by 8s. So, hoping that So, grabbed these up from Amazon. Good price. 10 by 8. I was gonna go with 9 by 12s, and not bad. It fit pretty well. There's only a small border around the edge of the tent, which is fine. So yeah, pretty decent. Looks a little different than what I thought than it looked online, but This is the middle section that I took out around the tent. I wanted it as open as possible, so I went ahead and took it out. And I think it'll work. I think it'll work. I want more of an open concept, but we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. All the flooring is in. It looks good. Look at that, look at that, look at that. So, two 10x8s fit pretty well. Like I said, there's only a little bit of border around the tent, and I don't mind that at all. I do got tables and stuff, so I'm gonna bring those in and get those set up. Woo, it's looking good though. It is looking good. It's looking good. Where you at, Brute? You coming in? So, Brute is in here. We got things going. Give me 1 second. So I got some stuff, and we're gonna bring it in the tent, and we're gonna start getting it set up. But first, I need to go get the fan because it is hot, very hot. Got the bed. So I think I'm gonna take the partition down. It's really, really hot, and I want that fan to get everything in. So that's what we're gonna do. So we got the couch going, got to get the bed ready, got the TV ready, all that stuff, and then I'm just going to start rearranging this and seeing what we can make happen. The power situation, I'm thinking is going to be difficult because I had the AC running, the portable AC over here, but for some reason, after a little while, it just completely shut off. And I have it running from a basic extension cord, heavy-duty extension cord from the house outlet, into this awesome breaker that I thought was good. That thing. But I don't know, it tripped. So it's been days. It's been days. I know it's been some days since I've got to talk to you guys about what's going on with the tent, man. So without further ado, I'm gonna show you what's going on. So there she is, man. It's a big one. Honestly, not big enough for everybody, but it's really dope. And we got a little bit of stuff in there already, but I'll show you a little bit. Ooh, it's looking good. Looking good. We got the portable AC right there. Yes, sir. We got the portable AC right there. Let me see if I can hit these lights real quick. That one, and then we got this one. Yes, sir. So let's start with door number 1. So this tent can open up on both sides. This is PVC. It does need a little bit more air. It's been up there for about almost a week. But yeah, pretty nice. Pretty nice. You got windows. All the you can roll them up from the outside, which I kind of wish it was on the inside, but that's all good. Now got more windows here for maximum ventilation. Got the fan in here to help keep it cool during the daytime. That's door number 2, which will also be opened up. I got these little bitty fans here too on both sides. This is actually overkill. This is a queen size, just so we can make sure that we are extra comfortable. I got the bed sheet covers over there. It's got the little headboard, and then right now we got the king camp sofa right there. This also has a window. This also has a window skylight right there as well. But yeah, man, that's that. I mean, other than that, we got pretty much kind of everything set up for now. Let me show you what else that we got going on. Oh, so we got the Oops Mega 1, which stays pretty much powered up right now during the daytime through solar from the grid, because I have a solar tied system in the house. I do have a separate 200 watt solar panel that I'm going to be using. I got to get an extender so I can fit it properly outside of the tent if it's going to be central like this wherever we go, or just even out here glamping in the yard. Obviously got the TV there. I think it's like a 42 inch or something like that. I ain't even took the plastic off yet, but it works pretty well. Again, this is like minimal. Now I plan on adding another one for the kids, because we got a lot of kids, and they need their own space, because this would be just comfortable enough for me and the wife. For the kids to sleep in here, we'd have to like move the table a little bit, fold it back up, get some blankets and stuff like that. But oh yeah, I forgot to mention, we also put down these carpets there. Now this actual room, you'll probably see it in a few videos, this does have a room divider as well. Does have a room divider, and right now I just have it off because don't really need it on. So don't really need that on right now. I want to make it as open as possible, but you have a chimney swoop right here for the let's see, that's going to be for the stove, the heater, whatever you want to call it, wood burning stove. Not going to put it in yet because it's hot as hell right now in Texas, so it's not really needed right now. And the next thing I'm going to be doing though is this week I'm going to waterproof it. Now these are pretty waterproof, but not as much as I like. I prefer to waterproof it again. We did get a little bit of, not necessarily rain, but a little bit of condensation, and it held up just fine. But for my conscience, I want to make sure that it is waterproof. So I got some stuff coming in, and I also have a rain fly that I'll install as well, just here in the yard. But I'll have that ready for like when we go camp. But yeah, man, pretty cool. Just some other stuff that's been helping me get out of my funk. And I need to go get my fishing license, get some poles, get some reels. What do you say there, Brute? The dog loves it. He likes it a lot, actually. He loves it. What you doing, Brute? But yeah, that's just a little sneak peek, little preview of oh man, Brute, is he stepping on me? A little sneak preview. Oh, I got a fire pit too. I need to put it together. It's just been hot, man. It's so hot. It's so hot. Anyways, come on. Oh shoot, I forgot the lights on in the tent. But anyways, yeah, more updates coming soon.